This is the Omega X Swatch, Mission to Pluto MoonSwatch, a playful, affordable tribute to one of the most iconic chronographs ever made, inspired by the dwarf planet at the edge of our solar system. Unlike the cold blue Pluto we were shown in school, this watch captures the real-world tones of the planet, a creamy dial with rich burgundy subdials and bezel, black hour markers, the Speedmaster's classic dot over 90-minute track, and co-branded logos at 12 o'clock anchor the design. It's bold, but still balanced. The case is crafted from bioceramic, Swatch's proprietary blend of 1/3 bio-sourced plastic and 2/3 ceramic. It's lightweight, durable, and the color runs all the way through the material, not just painted on. Every MoonSwatch shares the same dimensions: 42mm diameter, 13.25mm thick, 47.3mm lug-to-lug, 20mm lug width, and this model comes on a matching Velcro fabric strap for that NASA-style feel. Inside beats a simple but reliable quartz movement powered by a Renata 371 battery. You can swap it yourself or get a free replacement at Swatch stores. Flip it over and you'll find one of my favorite details, a tiny engraving of Pluto on the battery cover, unique to this model. Retailing at around $280, the Mission to Pluto isn't sold online. You'll need to visit a Swatch store to track one down. The MoonSwatch collection is about more than hype. It's about making a piece of Omega's Speedmaster heritage accessible to everyone. The Mission to Pluto stands out with its distinctive colors and lightweight build, offering a fun, wearable slice of space watch history at an approachable price.